Our Thai thali has arrived now. The main course coming up, which now promises to be delicious. Chicken red curry. Okay, this is now the classical Thai red curry. It's with chicken, and this rice looks like just normal steamed rice, but it's jasmine rice. So we've got curry rice happening here, and what is this?
Duck on the bed of spinach.
Duck on a bed of spinach. I love this restaurant. I love this.
You like
food.
spinach?
I like spinach.
Really?
It's about the only vegetable that I like.
That's strange. It's green.
I know, but it's the one thing that I don't that I actually quite like.
Really surprising.
Oh, this is nice.
Shall I give him more spinach? Let's see if he's pretending.
No, I'm not pretending. Then I'm fine. But most people don't know this, and I think this is going to come out for the first time on national television. Baman, you actually used to work for the Taj at one point in your life.
Yeah, I used to work as a waiter in the Taj. I did 3 departments. Room service for quite a long time.
Really?
Yeah, so I know every nook and cranny of
the Taj Mahal
probably.
Hotel.
I know every little twist, turn, staircase over there because of my room service. Oh my God, only one for me.
Lamb chops. This is fascinating.
I don't know how you keep praising food. Kunal actually does this if you're having wine or he's having a mosquito. That's Kunal's style. How many different ways do you know?
Arun, I go.
How do you? How else can you do it?
I don't know.
So I really don't know how to praise food, but I have to say, with sincerity, it's absolutely superb.
The food is nice, and nothing like.
It's also free. Much better.
But Bombs, you've done really well for yourself.
I've done okay.
I wish you strength to strength.
Thank you.
You got a lot of upcoming stuff happening right now.
Yeah.
Three Idiots is now slated to be the best movie of the year. And besides, you got one very, very important release happening this year.
Called?
It's called Fruit and Nut. It's a film that I have directed, and you were acting in the film, and you must have a lot of food stories from Fruit and Nut.
Fruit and Nut. I have to tell you, Fruit and Nut was fantastic. There were times we used to sit and discuss a scene, and in the middle of the discussion, Kunal would call for a driver. Sanjay, मैं file ले गया. Kunal is taking our notes to discuss on the script. File ले गया. Look at the file. So these are a list of menus. What will you have for lunch?
But it's true. We did a lot of eating food on the film. Yeah.
Lots.
So Baman, we're going to let Baman finish his meal in peace, drink his wine in peace, and I'm going to say thank you to him right over here. Thanks a hell of a lot for coming on the show.
Uno.
Yeah. And may all the films that are happening this year go really well. May you and me have many, many dinners and lunches together. What's for dinner, by the way, at your house tonight?
You know, normally we invite people over for dinner, but since you've invited yourself, we'll ask Zino to cook.
Cook something nice, no?
Well, but tell me, Kunal, how do you invite yourself to a house every other day?
Well, you know, your wife is a really...
You don't feel bad?
Your wife is a really kind person.
That's how you get away with it.
Every time I call up the house just to say hello, she says, are you coming for dinner? So
No.
I come.
But you don't feel, by saying yes every time, do you ever refuse?
No, I never refuse.
No?
The food is really good in your house.
So you come to eat the food or you come for the company?
The company, of course. The company.
Chalo, maaf kar diya.
Anyway.
But I'll tell you, apart from being a good friend, he's a shameless guy. He wants to come the moment he feels that he has an evening off, or lunch, or even breakfast, or all three. One day, our house was being repaired, so all we had was sofas and a center table. So breakfast used to come there, and we used to eat, and we used to chat. It was a Sunday, and then Kunal would lie down on the sofa like that. And then he would get up, and then lunch would come, and he would eat, and then he would lie down there. And then he would go to sleep. Then he would come and he'd have tea. After tea, he said, I'm going home. So I said, why? He said, I have to go home and rest.
Well, that's what the food at your house does to me. It tires me out with joy. It really is. The food is so good. The next time we meet on this show, we will have your wife cook for us.
He's invited himself to dinner once again.
With all of you all as well.
But Kunal, once again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. See
Thank
you
you
at
very
home for
much.
dinner.
It was I think a great meal. It was great visiting Baman's house once again.
Unique
And
experience. Kunal.
Unique experience.
Because normally when Kunal eats lunch or dinner with us, he never speaks. This time he has to speak.
Yeah, what to do? Anyway, chalo.
You go dessert?
Dessert? We'll have dessert. But while we have dessert, let's say bye to everybody back at home. Well, that brings us to the end of this episode with Baman Irani. If you want to write to us at weekend@timesnow.tv, and the recipes are always available at the website timesnow.tv. Till the next time, from Baman and me, it's bye.
Ciao, ciao.